uJulayi lixesha le-matric dance. Ngeli xesha lonyaka amantombazana aqhele ukuma kumngcelele elindele ukwenzelwa ilokhwe kwiofisi kaBremo. Kodwa njengongekho misitho ebhiyozelwayo kulo nyaka, eyona nto abakwazi ukuyithunga ziimasks. Lena yindlela yokubeka ukutya etafileni.
I think the need actually took over. The fact that there is a purpose that we can work towards made it easy for them to say, yes, let's join. And it became easy for me as well, putting my own ego aside and asking somebody. After the first designer joined, I was like, yes, maybe more. And then it became, let's do this. And then the dream became more of a survival strategy. It became a place of empowerment. And I think we all saw that in the end.
Kungoku nje sele benze imasks ezingama-14,000 nabazinika abantu bangathathi ntweni.
I've always been one that's collaborated with others. I've never been shy of that. A lot of other people have always kept to themselves. I find that with this platform and effort that we've gone to, it has enabled us all to bounce ideas off each other and to realize that we're all going through the same struggle.
Ngabathungi abangama-24 nabasebenzi babo abathathe inxaxheba kule nkqubo. Ndingulerato Fekisi kwiindaba ze-SABC eBhayi.